Okay, welcome back guys, this is Ben from Insanity Matters TV and you're watching part 1 of our Unity BlockBreaker tutorial series. In the last video we covered what it is that we're going to be making, and in this video we're just going to quickly have a look at the Unity interface and cover some of the clicky stuff so we can jump right into the gory bits in the next video. Now, all you actually need to complete this tutorial series is a copy of Unity, a PhD in bullshit, and a PC running the Windows operating system. More bullshit.
Wait a minute. There's a video before this one? This one's number 1!
Yeah, well there's a video 0 too.
Why didn't I see it? I was the first one here.
That's because you were the first one here. If you missed the first video, like my little friend, you can go watch it now by clicking the sign to the left, or you can skip the UI stuff if you already know it by clicking the sign to the right. Otherwise, just hold on there and we'll grin and bear this stuff. Aha! You're still here! Okay, so, assuming you don't have Unity, you can get it quite simply by going to Google and typing in Unity 3D. Click the download button in the top right corner and select the free basic version. Once that's downloaded and installed, it will start to the default project, which is Angry Bots. Well, that's not actually of any use to us, so we're going to start a new project. We'll call this project BlockBreaker Clone, or whatever you fancy. At this stage it doesn't actually matter. Alas, a blank canvas. Now we can begin! Okay. So, it looks kinda dull here now. The Angry Bots has disappeared, so, well, we'll get into the swing of things pretty soon and you'll see things start to happen. A blank canvas is always better, it's less confusing, less clouded, and you can actually see what's going on. Okay, first of all you need to understand the difference between the project area, and the hierarchy area, And the difference is, the project area stores the files that are in your project, and the hierarchy area stores the files that are currently in the scene. That includes the clones and prefabs. If you don't understand that, that's fine, we're going to cover it later. Now, one other little nuisance is the play and stop button. I say nuisance, it is at this stage, but later on I suppose you do come to quite admire it. It's the stop and play button. You see, any changes you make to your project, whether it's in the inspector or otherwise, will be undone when you stop playing your project. Assuming it was in play mode when you made those changes. You'll see what I mean later on. Now, sometimes it's very handy. Other times you're going to want to kill them all! Okay, so now I can sense that you're all starting to drift a little with all this boring nonsense, so go make yourself a quick cup of coffee, meet me back for the next video, and we'll get into actually doing some proper development. See you soon.